Hey everyone. So first, we have this project open in Photoshop, and we need to save it. I'll just go ahead and save it as a PSD file, so we don't lose any of our work. Now I'm going to close this page in Photoshop, and as you can see, we've got the project saved as a PSD. Now what we're going to do next is open a browser. I personally prefer Google Chrome, so I'll open that up. Now we'll go to Google and search for a font. One of the best websites for free fonts is Dafont, so let's head over there. Once we're on Dafont, we can browse through different categories and styles of fonts. You can pick any font you like from here. You can also search any font, as here I search Spark Bubble font. I'll just click on the download button and wait a few seconds for it to download. Once the file is downloaded, I'll open it, and inside we'll find the font file. The type of font file should be either OpenType font or TrueType font. Now I'll double click on it and then click on the install button. It only takes a few seconds, and now the font is installed on our system. Now before closing this, make sure to remember the name of the font. In this case, the font is called Spark Bubble. Once we've noted the name, we can close everything and go back to our Photoshop project. I'll open the PSD file again and wait for it to load. Now let's say we want to use the newly installed font in our design. I'll select the text tool from the toolbar and click anywhere to type. If the existing text is in a different color, I'll change it to black so it's clearly visible. Now, to change the font, I'll go to the font selection box, click on it, and type Spark Bubble in the search bar. And there it is, the font we just installed. Now we can apply it to our text. And just like that, the new font is added to our design. It's that simple. So that's how you download and install fonts on your computer and use them in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.